Hello everyone and welcome to cadmusworld. In today's video I'll be talking about the most affordable, durable and flexible phone stand. For those interested in Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts and vlogging, I highly recommend the stands for you. Now let's run the intro. But before purchasing any gadget of your choice, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Purpose. What do you want to use the gadget for? 2. Durability. How long do you want to use that gadget for? And lastly, budget. How much are you willing to spend on that gadget? Once you have answered those 3 questions, after carefully carrying out your research, then you could purchase that particular gadget. Now let's look at the stand. One of the most unique features about this stand and why I love this stand so much is the adjustable head, which you could mount your phone on, which is flexible and could be tilted to any desired angle you want it to. And if you check all my YouTube shorts, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. That particular stand has always come in handy. It has a firm locking knob and a rubber sleeve, which provides a firm grip on the floor. And also, this particular stand can be adjusted to a height of 145 centimeters, which is a perfect length for vlogging. So that's it guys for the stand, which is so affordable. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe if you haven't yet already. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified when my video comes out. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below on any other affordable gadgets you want to see in this channel. I see you in my next video. Bye. Here comes the dun 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 dun.